Hello everyone. I'm just inside Dollar Tree and noticing some things have been restocked. These are the rub-on stickers or transfers. And then these are brand new. Little wax melt candlelight, and a ton of fall things. But I have a funny feeling that once this stuff is gone, it'll be gone. What are your stores looking like these days? See, even the mat, there's only this print left. Those with the little blue pumpkins are sold out. Yeah, so what are your stores looking like? Are they replenishing things? Are they empty? Do you still have some fall things to purchase? Are you fully decorated for Halloween? These are back. They're great for little baked goodies or even organizing craft material if you organize by seasons. These Papermate pencils were at Walmart for, I think, $3 for a lot less. They have some frames, at least, if you're making wreaths. These will go fast. I bet they won't be here in a few hours. I'm actually surprised that they even have some of the fairy garden items left. Let's take a look at the floral. And it's getting picked through as well. These are the smaller picks. Oh, I love this one. The little white pumpkin, so cute. Halloween things. I'm so excited to see some at my store. I love these. These foam pumpkins. I've done so many DIYs with them. I probably should link them down below for you guys just so you could see some of the wonderful DIYs you can use transforming them. Oh, this looked much neater in the front, on the front cover. Whenever I see Triscuit, I always find it's such a great value here at Dollar Tree, or even the Ritz, or even the vegetable thins. These are all such great products that you're easily going to pay 3 times the amount at a local grocery store. These wood cutouts are so versatile and awesome. Like, you can paint them, you can make them as standing decor. I've shared some DIYs on the channel using these, especially for Christmas time. I love the Wicked. You can even use them as stencils. I know that I've used felt, but some people use the wooden cutouts. They do have quite a nice selection of Halloween things, so I'm happy to see this. This is a great find. It's all wood, so easy to stain, easy to personalize or customize. I love the paddle boards. They're so sweet. What else do they have here? Oh, this would be cute too. For a fairy garden or a little house. These would be perfect for Halloween. They glow in the dark. Could really do some fun DIYs with those. I'm looking for the large popsicle sticks, the wooden popsicle sticks. I'm hoping to find some more because I have some DIYs in mind. Here's some of the gold foil and silver foil they typically have. Sheets that I use for DIYs as well. Some new flexible stencils. I wonder if I could use these in my junk journal as like little hidden pockets or page tabs. They're really pretty. Sometimes I get really lucky and find amazing like Papermate, or these are the newer stickers. but like zebra or papermate pens, but it looks pretty bare today. I honestly can't believe that these have, oh, okay, this one's broken, so that's why it's here. But you can put it back together if you use a little bit of like good bonding glue. But yeah, I just can't believe how many items they still have that are from the Recollections line. Like, this is all Michael's stuff. So if you're into journaling, these journaling cards would really work nicely, or these little pockets. There's just so many things. Well, these weren't here last time I saw the fall decor, and there's a few little fall items, but I love the napkins with the pumpkins. I really do have to think of something to create with them. Okay, which aisle? I always love looking at their nails, and I know that some of you do too. For those who do use ink with stamping pads, do you have any, I guess, makeup brushes or something that you enjoy using from Dollar Tree that is great for blending the ink? I wonder if this little nail polish holder would work as a good weeding collector, a vinyl collector, or when you're weeding things with the weeding tool. Has anyone used it? Wow, these must have just been put out. They were sold out, and here they are, a full nice row of them. There's two kinds. I don't know what I purchased. I know I got two, but I don't know if it was those. I'll have to take a look when I get home. What else is here? Yay, these are back. They're one of my favorite cutting boards I've ever purchased from Dollar Tree, so I think I'll grab one more. I always like to have a nice new cutting board. And these are perfect because they're small. You don't have to pull out your huge one. So when you have something small to cut up, you just grab your small and light cutting board. I really like them. Oh, I actually have to grab a couple more very large frames. And this is why I love coming down the sock aisle, because every so often you'll get a really nice deal like this, where you find name brand things. And this one here has 3 pairs. These are perfect for low sneaker, like low riding runners, or these are the Dollar Tree ones though, I think. So yeah, these are imported by Dollar Tree. But yeah, I'm gonna grab these black ones. So these are Stephen Land. Look at this. Crazy, right? And I know that they have a really good sock because I bought the tall ones a couple years ago. So it's too bad that these are the short, really like low riding ones. Oh, I'm knocking things over. Another favorite aisle of mine is the organization. I always like to keep up with what's here. So it's like the craft aisle and the organization bins. I'm always like, okay, what's new? What can I use in my storage room or throughout the house? But right now there's nothing. This is actually one aisle that I often miss and don't walk through and don't film for you guys. I'm squeaking. I don't like when I do that. And I know some of you are always like, do you want to stop in the pet aisle? So I'll be a little bit more mindful of it going forward. I still cannot find the gel glue. Somebody told me to keep an eye out because they spotted it at their store, but I have not had any luck. It's been like, what, 3 years since I've been able to buy that gel glue? It's crazy. This is great if you're protesting and stuff. Like if you're doing, I don't know, any walking along the side of even a gravel road or something. It's good to be visible to cars. These are awesome. You could easily transform them or paint them. You might even be able to take the backing off and change the inner part. Oh, the piggy bank, like the hand piggy banks, these here sold really fast. These would be awesome for making a little picket fence for a Halloween haunted house or some type of decor. Wow, look at these big metal pieces. I feel like the ones we used to see. These are great also for, I guess, like maybe more paper crafting. What else do they have here? Sometimes you really have to go slowly. This is actually probably one of my favorite cleaning supplies that I own at home. Oh, wet wipes. I don't think I ever noticed these. Maybe I have. Vim is part of the same line that I was just pointing out. That cream is amazing for cleaning, shining, doing all the things. However, it's a really small bottle. This book is actually fantastic. It's made by Scholastic, so you definitely would not typically find it at Dollar Tree. What a great find. And this is another item I love purchasing, the Colonel's White Cheddar. My daughter loves it. These are great popcorn bins. We actually use these ones as well at home for movie night. I'll just take a look and see if there's any snacks, and then I think I'm headed out. Another aisle I typically try to avoid is coming down this area here, because sometimes they really do have tempting things. So anyways, I think I'm gonna head out. On the other side is the checkout, and I'm going to say thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed walking through with me. Bye for now. Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. I'm not
Autumn comes too soon.